Hello and welcome to Big Deal. I'm Nisha Poddar. Now today the focus is on the equity market deals which rise as soon as the market gains some momentum. But there are many headwinds that are facing the economy which have kept the markets volatile, and this particular factor changes the deal scenario. Let's understand from our experts joining us today on Big Deal, Deepak Ramchandra, the Managing Director and Co-Head of Equities at Axis Capital, and Rahul Arora, CEO of Nirmal Bang Institutional Equities. Gentlemen, so good to have you on CNBC-TV18. Now, Rahul, first give us your view on the market. It has been volatile, market has been tentative on the 18,000 levels, and there is inflationary concerns as well as interest rate hardening scenario. How do you view the market trajectory from here on?
Thanks for having me on the show, Nisha. So I think you summed it up pretty well. I think, we're looking into a slowdown/recession in the calendar 23. This is going to be coupled with a slightly high inflationary scenario. Even though inflation will probably directionally come down, it's still going to be higher than comfort levels for most central banks. And I think the effect of the interest rate hikes that you've seen from global central banks, India included, still need to be felt at the economic level. So I think a sum total of all of this, Nisha, if you look at calendar 2022, there have been at least 4 or 5 attempts when the Nifty has gone to this zone of 18 to 18,300, but finds it difficult to sustain there because I think people then start taking cognizance of the fact that probably valuations are running ahead of themselves. So my sense is, Nisha, 2023 is going to be a very tough year to make money in the capital markets. The journey from 7,500 at the peak of the pandemic to 18.5 was a relatively easy one. But in the face of fixed deposit rates, for example, rising as well, I think it's not going to be all that easy to defend the kind of returns that you've seen. So be moderate, be tempered, but there will be an opportunity aplenty. But, this is the first sort of global crisis that we're looking at since Lehman in this big a fashion. So we should probably have our front and rear seatbelts on as we approach the year.
All right. So very cautionary statement there, Rahul, and rightly so, because